Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up drawing in Autocad. First, open a new drawing and select a suitable template. Then, define your drawing units, such as inches or millimeters, and set the precision for your measurements. Finally, establish the drawing limits to define the working area for your design, ensuring it accommodates your project's scale. Next, organize your drawing efficiently by creating layers. Layers help you manage visibility and properties of different elements, like walls, dimensions, or text. Assign distinct colors and line types to each layer for easy identification. Always ensure you set the correct layer as current before adding new objects to maintain a clean and structured drawing. Now, let's set up your text and dimension styles for clarity and consistency. Create a new text style, choosing a professional font and a readable height, perhaps 1/8 of an inch. Then, define a dimension style to control how your measurements appear, adjusting elements like arrow size, text height, and the placement of dimension text for optimal readability. Finally, remember to save your drawing regularly to protect your work. Once your setup is complete, consider saving it as a custom template. This template can include all your preferred units, layers, text styles, and dimension styles. Using a template will save you significant time on future projects, ensuring a consistent starting point every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.